trouble if you swim less and sing more. From now on, you'll have voice lessons every day. Perhaps you could take up an instrument. Something ladylike, of course. The harp. Sure, why, yes, a nice harp made out of driftwood decorated with mother of pearl. Ariel? Oh, no. Ariel! Voice of music.
Suppose I don't want to be king.
I swore an oath to your dear father on his deathbed that I'd turn you from an errant roustabout into a proper royal, worthy one day to fill his shoes.
Rather go barefoot.
And another thing too.
Oh, no, you
I
don't.
promised His Excellency I'd have you married before your next birthday. I would keep your needs a queen.
Did you ever try to take a princess sailing? It's a joke. Your crinolines get caught in the rigging. Most of them can't even swim.
There is more to a woman than her flutter kick.
We're gonna find her, Grimsby. A girl who's as carefree and alive as the sea itself. Where?
Well, what do you know? Scuttle, be quiet. They'll hear you. Oh, I gotcha. We're being intrepidatious. We're out to discover her!
It's too much to hope for, isn't it? Somewhere, out there. A girl who's a match for a guy like me.
Perhaps you're not looking hard enough.
I've never seen a human this close before. Me neither. I thought you were an expert. Yeah, on their stuff, sure, but yikes, the sight of them. Hideous, ain't it? That square jaw, those big shoulders, and two eyeballs the self-same color. No variety.
I don't know, Scuttle. I think he's really handsome.
Trust me, Grimsby. When I come across the girl in my dreams, it'll hit me like lightning.
It's hard to say. Oh, I can't make out a heartbeat.
Oh, look! He's breathing. Scuttle, just look at him. He's so beautiful. It's raining to live with you. It's raining.
You took a terrible tumble, dear boy.
That voice, I can't get it out of my head.
It's an old memory, that's all. Shaken loose from its moorings. Your mother, perhaps, singing a lullaby over your grave.
No, I'll prove it to you. I'll find her. I'll thank her for saving my life.
Just come along with me, and I just sleep. You'll just you.
Please, you have to believe me.
You've heard too many tall tales, my boy.
No, she was real.
Yes. Of course she was. As real as a siren. As real as a mermaid on the rocks.
I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of
What about her? She sure is acting fishy lately. I'll say, swimming in circles, chasing her tail. That girl is up to her gills in something. She's dizzy and she's dreaming. Her head's up in the foam. Her eyes are gone all gleaming. It's like there's no one home. She floats away the days, moping on the coastal shelf. You ask her where she's going, she giggles like a fool. She barely dips her toe down at the top of the pool. It's more than just a phase, face it, she's just not herself. Is she ill or insane? Is it water on the brain? What has got her body and soul? It's the bangs. Well, gosh, I wish we had a clue. Oh, wait, oh dear, my grief, it's clear she's in love. She's in love. Counting hearts, breathing breath. I think she's everywhere, brand new shell. She's in love. She's in love. I only need one line of love. To me, she's in love. Hey, Flounder, did you notice anything weird about you know who? The Ariel, I'll say. She acts like she's on TV. She doesn't even speak. She treats me like sashimi left over from my sleep. I see her late at night, tossing in the ocean bed. Yeah, she's never Olivia, she rocks. You swim right off your deck. She lays there like a box. As sure as dog, she's right. Something's made her lose her head. She has lost her head. And she sighs and she smiles, and she's on the little tunes. Even has the sort of glow. What on earth could it be? Any hammer they can see that silent road. That's where we're all from. She's in love. She's forever there. She's in love. Leave her sail. Streets, and they wish for love. You wonder who's gonna be singing her wish. She's in love. She's love. She's in love. She's in love. And she's not good as some blush. See her dream. Can't tell me that she's stereo and someone spinning in the sea. K-I-S-S, she's on the planet, sing God. Cross down, we're strong, work, no more, no, nothing. Heart is thinking that's it. She's in love. She's in love. She's in love. She's in love.
Messiah. But she wouldn't listen. I told her, Ariel, you're going to stay away from your humans. They're nothing but trouble.
Humans? What about humans?
Who said anything about humans?
What are the secrets of you have for me? You better tell me now, Sebastian!
Where did she go? Where can she be? When will she come again? Calling to me, calling to me, calling to me. Somewhere there's a girl who's like the shimmer of wind upon the water. Somewhere there's a girl who's like the glimmer of the sunlight on the sea. Somewhere there's a girl who's like this who I love and this music. Somewhere she's singing and her song is meant for me. And her voice, it's sweet as angels sighing. And her voice, it's warm as summer sky. And that sound, it haunts my dreams and spins me round until it seems I'm flying. Her voice.
With all due respect, sire, you've been scouring the sea for weeks, and to what end? I vowed to find her, and I will. I've a better idea. What say we host a marvelous ball? We'll invite countless ancient young ladies from far and wide to sing for you. A contest. What better way to find your mysterious voice? A woman you are destined to marry.
Yes. Why, yes. That's how we'll find her, Grimsby. I know we will. I can sense her laughter in the middle of the waves against the shoreline. I can see her smiling in the moonlight as it settles on the sand. I can feel her waiting just beyond the pale horizon, singing out a melody to love me to withstand. And her voice, it's fair as dusk is falling. And her voice, it's fair as dawn steals by. Pure and bright, it's always near, all day, all night, and still I hear it calling. Her voice, strange as a dream, real as the sea. If you can hear me now, come set me free. Come set me
Now, let me see. What did Scuttle call this one? Is it a ditty wonder? A thumb doodle? Whatever it is. He held it once. Why, I'm sure he did. He held it once in his own strong, beautiful human hands.
Ariel! I demand to know, did you save a human from drowning?
I had to.
You had to.
Without me, he would have perished.
Unless humans appear!
He didn't frighten me, not one bit. He made me feel wonderful.
Have you forgotten what happened to your mother?
Daddy!
This is where you belong. For once, just listen. Will you? That savage brute would kill you in the world.
song. I'll have you grounded till next year. Am I clear? Don't go near that world above.
I'm not a child anymore!
No? Have you lost your senses? He's a human! You're a mermaid!
Doesn't matter!
I'm still the king here! My word is law! This milk you bring here is the final straw! And push, my daughter, has come to shove! I'll make you obey till you do as I say. I don't care how it may, but I'll keep you away from that cold push, cold water world. Oh,
Oh, Sebastian. I hate him! He ruined all my things, my human stuff. If he really and truly loved me, then he'd never.
Child. Perhaps it's because he loves you that
He
he...
sure has a funny way of showing it. And some friend you turned out to be spilling everything after you promised.
It was an
You
accident.
know what I'll do? I'll go see the prince again tonight. Scuttle knows where he lives.
What was your father?
What about him, Sebastian? He can break every single treasure I own. But he can't break me.
Yeah, well, you just might break his heart.
So what? I don't care.
Ariel, please! You got to get your head out of the clouds and back in the water where it belongs.
I'll swim out to Eric's castle. I'll sing to him.
Down here is your home. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea, it's better than anything they got out there.
Wrong, I swear.
Believe me, child, it's true. The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going out there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Now it's better, now it's better. Take it from me. Out on the shore they work all day. Out in the sun they slave away. Why beautiful, full down the floor. Under the sea. Down here all the fish is happy as up to the waves they roll. The fish on the land ain't happy. There's a cozy in the bowl.
The fish in the bowl is lucky. They didn't know what's on it.
One day when the boss get hungry,
Yes, you want me on the plate. Under the sea,
under the sea,
under the sea.
under the sea,
Nobody beat us, riders and eaters, windbreakers, we want a land full of to cook. Under the sea, we want the hook. We want no troubles, life is the book. Under the sea,
under the sea,
under the sea. Since I was sweet,
It's what I live for. To help unfortunate merfolk like yourself. Poor souls, no one else to turn to. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But I'm fine nowadays. I've mended all my ways. Repented, seen the light, and made a switch. True, yes. And I fortunately know a little magic. It's a talent that I always have possessed. And hey, lately, please don't laugh. I use it on behalf of the miserable, lonely, and depressed. Pathetic, unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes, indeed. Those poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to my cauldron, crying spells, listen please, and I help them. Yes, I do. Now it's happened once or twice. Someone couldn't pay the price, and I'm afraid I had to hide across the coals.
human for 3 days. Now it's got a procedural clause, sort of a squid pro quo. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. If you do, you'll stay human forever.
And if I don't?
Nothing drastic, darling, I'm sure. Oh, look, small print. Your soul is mine forever, and you're doomed to spend eternity in my watery hell-soaked lair. Lawyers, don't you just love them? Of course, there is one more thing. My fee.
I don't have anything.
I'm not asking for much. Only your voice.
My voice?
Don't worry. I've the perfect place for it. When your grandpappy Poseidon was on his deathbed, he gave his magic trident to your father, but this was his parting gift upon moi.
Your magic shell.
You've heard about it?
Father says it's the source of all your witchcraft.
Nonsense, darling.
He says you die without it.
Die? Oh, please. It's a bauble, a vessel for your voice. Trust me, darling. Your vibrato, your legato, even your belt. They'll all be safe and sound.
If I give away my voice, how can
You'll have your looks, your pretty face, and don't underestimate the power of body language. The men up there don't like a lot of blather. They think a girl who gossips is a bore. Yes, on land it's much preferred for ladies not to say a word. And after all, dear, what is idle prattle for? Come on, they're not all that impressed with conversation. True gentlemen avoid it when they can. But they don't and swoon and fawn on a lady who's withdrawn. It's she who holds her tongue who gets a man. Come on, you unfortunate soul. Go ahead, make your choice. I'm a very busy woman and I haven't got all day. It won't cost much, just your voice. You poor unfortunate soul. It's sad, but true. If you want to cross a bridge, my sweet, you gotta pay the toll. Take a gulp and take a breath, and go ahead and sign the scroll. Flotsam jetsam, now I got a voice. The boss says I'm on a roll. You poor unfortunate soul. How's about it,
if I become human, I'll never see my family again. My sisters, even. My father.
Do you want Princey Poor not 5
Yes, yes, I'll do it. Where do I sign?
Not just any ink, darling. Use mine.